How to make your home energy more sustainable. Imagine a home powered by nature. Your personal sanctuary, harmonizing with the rhythm of the earth. Isn't that a dream worth chasing? Turn that dream into reality. Get started with solar panels. Harness sunlight, the ultimate energy source that's clean, renewable, and abundant. Solar panels are the most common and accessible form of renewable energy for homes. They convert sunlight into electricity that can power your home. Ensure the panels are properly installed and positioned to maximize sunlight exposure. Next, wind power. If you have enough space and live in an area with consistent wind, consider installing a small wind turbine. Wind power can complement solar energy, especially in regions with high average wind speeds. It's important to assess local regulations, zoning restrictions, and the feasibility of wind power in your specific location. Lastly, consider geothermal heating and cooling. These systems extract heat from the ground during winter and dissipate heat into the ground during summer. Look into a ground source heat pump. They are highly efficient and can significantly reduce your reliance on traditional heating and cooling methods. Make your home a beacon of sustainability. Start your green energy journey today. Subscribe for more tips.